Hello everyone, welcome to HD Athena Notes. This is our 13th video. In this video, we are going to talk about sets in Python. What is a set? A set is a collection of well-defined objects that share some common property. Now let's go to the practicals to understand it correctly and easily. Now let's create sets practically. I'm going to name my set as S and I am going to add elements to my set within the braces. These are my elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If I print my set, I can see the elements inside my set. You know that elements inside a set cannot be repeated. Even though it was possible in list and tuples, in sets elements can't be repeated. Let's create another set S1 and here I am going to add repeating elements 1, 2, 3. I will add 4 2 times and 5 3 times. So this is my S1. Let's print S1 now. You can see even though I have had repeated elements, when my set is created, it does not take repeating elements. Now let's add extra elements to the set. Adding elements to the set. I am going to add 6 and 7 to the already created set S. In that case, I have write S dot add 6 and S dot add 7. Now 6 and 7 has been added to the set. Let's print to see it. You see 6 and 7 has been added. If you want to add multiple elements, you have to use the function update. If I want to add 8 and 9 to this set S at a one time, in that case you have to write S dot update. And inside the square brackets, I am going to add the elements that I need to be added. You can even add more than 2 elements. Let's print the set. You can see 8 and 9 both has been added to the set. Now let's learn how to remove elements from a set. Elements from a set. Okay. If I want to remove one, I am going to write as S dot remove and the element that I want to remove within the bracket. Let's print S again. You can see S1 has been removed from the set. And also I can use the function discard too. If I want to add the element 2, if I want to remove the element 2 here, I can use the function discard. Discard and inside the brackets have to write the element that need to be discarded. Now if I print the set again, you can see element 2 also has been removed or discarded. You can use both the remove and discard functions to remove elements from a set. Union between two sets. Union between sets. In order to find the union, I am going to create two new sets first. I am going to rename them as SNew1, SNew1. It contains elements 5, 6 and 7. And I am going to add another set, create another set called S new 2. It contain the elements 7, 8, 9. So these are my two sets. If I find the union of these two sets, I can write one of the sets first and dot union, and within the brackets the other set name. If I run this, we can see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the union between these two sets. 7 is a common element of the two sets, so it also printed one time. You get the same result if you change the name of the sets here. It means I can also write SNU2 dot union, and within the bracket this other set name SNU1. SNU1. If we run this, we get the same result. So that's called union between sets. Intersection between sets. Intersection between sets. When we find the intersection, we get only the common elements. For that, I am going to create two new sets again. S new, or else I can use the same above two sets and just write the formula like S new 1 dot intersection, and within the brackets the other set name S new 2. You see, we got just 7 because 7 is the common element of the two sets. If I write S new 2 dot intersection S new 1, it also get the same result. So that's called intersection between sets. Casting of sets. Casting compound data. As we have already learned listing, I hope you can remember, we created the list in this way. Well, let's say it contains elements 4, 5 and 6. So this is the list. If I want to convert this list to a set, I can write S new 3 is my set name equals set, and within the bracket my list name L. If I print S new 3, you can see the list has been converted to a set. In the same way, tuples can also be converted to a set. Let's create a tuple with the elements 10, 11 and 12. Let's print it. This is the tuple elements. If I want to convert this to a set called as new 4, set within the brackets the name of the tuple, which is tuple 1. I have to use simple S. If we print S new 4, you can see the tuple has been converted to a set. So those are some basic functions of sets. We can learn more functions in the coming videos after we learn the dictionaries. So in next video, we will discuss about dictionaries.